Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT English Literature and other English Literature associated teaching exams as a practice set 40. Let's start. Question number 1. Name the author of Lord of Flies. Graham Greene, George Orwell, W.G. Golding, Hughes, Walpole. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be W.G. Golding. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. A character in Virginia Woolf's novel changes his sex. Name that novel. The Voyage Out, Mrs. Dalloway, Orlando, The Lighthouse. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be The Lighthouse. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote The New Atlantis? Thomas Nash, Francis Bacon, Robert Greene, John Lilly. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Francis Bacon. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Blank space defines the essay as a loose sally of the mind. Charles Lamb, De Quincey, Dr. Johnson, William Hazlitt. What will be correct answer? Who defines the essay as a loose sally of the mind? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Dr. Johnson defines the essay as a loose sally of the mind. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. A dramatic monologue is a speech by one character expressing his innermost feelings and thoughts, a long poetic rejoinder against some charge, a long dialogue with comic anecdotes, a long poetic soliloquy in a play. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a dramatic monologue is a speech by one character expressing his innermost feelings and thoughts. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The blank space comedy was practiced by Oliver Goldsmith and Richard Steele. What will be correct answer? Romantic, restoration, genteel, sentimental. Sentimental. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be sentimental. Sentimental. The sentimental comedy was practiced by Oliver Goldsmith and Richard Steele. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Drink to me only with shine eyes. This is the opening line of lyric. Name the writer of this line. Ben Jonson, John Milton, Shakespeare, Dryden. What will be correct answer? Drink to me only with thine eyes. Correct answer will be Ben Jonson. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The rape of the lock has blank space cantos. 4, 8, 5, 12. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be the rape of the lock has 5 cantos. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Spencer's motto is in writing Fairy Queen was to justify the ways of God, to save the honor of the clergy, the keep the Queen of England in good humor, to fashion a gentleman in virtuous and gentle discipline. What will be correct answer? Spencer's motto in writing Fairy Queen was to fashion a gentleman in virtuous and gentle discipline. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. An Italian sonnet has two parts. The first part is octave. What is the second part? Tercets, sestet, quatrain, couplet. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be sestet. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. What could be the tragic flaw in Hamlet? Novel inaction, Oedipus complex, valuing ambitions, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be novel inaction. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Fairy Queen is modified after Homer's Odyssey, Aristotle's Orlando's Furious, Virgil's Aeneid, none of the above. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Aristotle's Orlando's Furious. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Negative capability is associated with Shelley, Dryden, Eliot, Keats. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Keats. Negative capability is associated with Keats. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The name of the protagonist of The Mayor of Casterbridge is Newson, Hanchard, Yeobright, Tass. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Hanchard. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which play deals with the cruelty of solitary confinement? Strife, Silver, Justice, Hamlet. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be justice. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Hamlet and His Problems is written by Arnold, Eliot, Keats, Lamb. What will be correct answer? Hamlet and His Problems is written by Eliot. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. In Milton, there is always an appearance of effort. In Shakespeare, scarcely any. This remark has been made by Dr. Johnson, Dryden, William Hazlitt, Matthew Arnold. What will be correct answer? In Milton, there is always an appearance of effort. In Shakespeare, scarcely any. This remark has been made by Matthew Arnold. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. The Beggar's Opera was written by Matthew Prior, Samuel Butler, John Gay. None of these. What will be correct answer? The Beggar's Opera was written by John Gay. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Malapropism is coined after a character in The Way of the World, Macbeth, As You Like It, The Rivals. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Macbeth. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Adonais by Shelley is an elegy on Wordsworth, Keats, Byron, Pope. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Keats. Option B will be the right answer. Adonais by Shelley is an elegy on Keats. Option B will be the right answer. So friends, I hope enjoyed learning the important questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.